This is the part 3 of basic GIS tutorial, how to georeference high resolution image from Google Earth Pro. The link previous part of this video is given in my description section. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel to hit GIS, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much. Open your Google Earth Pro. The link of previous video is given in my description. First, you have to create a new folder from temporary places. I'm adding a folder naming Ramna Park or Ramna. The temporary folder is created. Then add a place mark to your image just as the video. I'm gonna pick, or I'm gonna select 4 places in my image. This is the first point. Rename the point name. Then the second point is created, just like as the last one. Have to create 4 place mark here. This is the last one. Then first save the image at high resolution. Check all the elements, just the previous video. I'm gonna save this image, renaming the Ramna Georeference 1. Save the place as KML or KMJ format, and then save the place that I have created before, Ramna. You can save this KML or KMJ format, either KMJ or KML. Then go to the GIS software, open your ArcGIS. First, open your saved image. I'm opening my Ramna Georeference 1 image. The image is inserted. Then to insert the place mark, first you have to convert your KML file to layer. That's why I'm opening the Arc toolbox. Go to the conversion tools, from KML to layer, and then select your KML file. Okay. The KML is going to convert it to layer. Yes, the layer is created. I'm gonna opening the georeferencing tool. Zoom out your first point and create the georeference mark to the points that is layered out in this image. Yes, the first point is georeferenced, and then again zoom to layer of your actual image. Do the same thing, mark the number 2 place and georeferenced it to the second point. Yes, the second point is also georeferenced. And then I'm going to the option 3. The number 3 points is georeferencing to the layer file, just like before, number 1 and number 2. Then the last point is also georeferenced according to the number 1, 2 and 3. Georeferencing is almost done. Check out the latitude and longitude below. I'm zooming out the frame, and this is the Romner Park is perfectly georeferenced, and the latitude and longitude is now perfect according to this area. Happy watching. To get new videos, subscribe the channel and comment the problems or the sections you actually want to learn. Thank you everyone.